Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a snowstorm. Let's make it.
First, we will need a plastic container. We have made a big hole on the top. Now we will take a DC motor and fix with the help of a glue gun. We will fix the battery with the help of a tape. We will take a switch and fix it with the help of a glue gun. Now let's complete the circuit. One wire will go direct to the motor and the second wire will go to the switch. Now we will take an extra wire and attach to the motor. Other end of the wire will go to the switch. The circuit is now completed. Now let's open this and fix a small little plastic fan. It is working. Now let's make a small scenery in this jar and spread it. Let's put a small cute little house and a tree, and let's stick this with the help of a Fevicol. Let's put some thermocol balls in it. Open it. Put some thermocol balls. Okay, now let's check. Whoa, there's a star coming.